going to look at some of this stuff. What do you reckon?
Look at some of the stuff under the desk.
All right, I've got choo-choo action.
Hot. Well, nothing better than a bit of hot choo-choo action on a Friday.
That's right. What do you reckon?
Why are these so bent?
Oh, just like the rest of us.
No, that's true.
So it's fitting, isn't it? So let me just get all this plugged in.
I know nothing about trains.
What do you mean? You do, don't you?
No.
This is what we're going to talk about. Look at this.
That's pretty cool.
This is Margaret.
No. That's Margaret.
This is a Quarry Hunslet. And we got some of these in maybe 2 weeks ago because they're a new thing from Bachmann. They're in what they call NG7 scale, and it's O scale, which works on HO width track.
Okay.
So we're going to stick it on there.
That's pretty special.
It is, isn't it? And the great thing about O scale is it's got so much detail in it because it's a bigger scale. There's heaps of stuff in there.
That looks cool. I'd be happy to sit that on the shelf in my new shed. Just because it looks cool.
Yeah, doesn't it?
I could have it like they have at the pancake parlour where it runs up and down on the hour.
Do they still do that?
Yeah.
The one in Donny?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I could have one of them in my shed.
There we go. So I've brought a digital version because you can get these in digital and analog. And the digital one is a bit special because it's got sounds and stuff.
Is it going to make noises?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me just get it all plugged up.
I like all the little brass stuff on it. That's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty blingy, isn't it?
Yeah.
I could see you with that, hung around your neck. All right, so let me just wait for this to fire up.
Does it need to warm up?
Here's on. Okay.
See, this is wrong that Brett's not here because he gets really excited over these things.
Oh, really? Let's have a look at it from the top, yeah?
Yeah.
There we go.
Look at that.
There it is there. Okay, let's just pick it up so you can have a closer look at it.
Got a sticker on the bottom that says sound fitted.
Yeah, that's right. So that's how you know it's DCC. It's got the sound fitter, so it's the digital version. So if it doesn't have that sticker on it, then that'll be the analog one. So it'll just drive.
Let's assume for a moment that I'm an idiot. What does DCC mean?
Digital something something.
Okay.
Digital something control, I think it is.
Digital control configured. Or something.
Yeah.
We could go and ask Steve, but it's not that
Let me
important.
get this. How's that? That's pretty well focused, I reckon. Looks pretty blingy, right?
Yeah.
Might be a bit hard to see because I did pick a black one because I think we showed off a red one last time. So let us get some sound action going. So we've got our NCE power cable here.
That looks like my TV remote. No, it didn't do anything.
Yeah. It's meant to. Oh, there we go.
I can hear something.
So you can hear it steaming up, right?
Okay.
So you want to hear a bit of coal action? It's going to like scoop a bit of coal.
Oh,
hang on, that wasn't it. Oh, there it is. I'm just going to keep pushing all these buttons. Okay, so it's
I'm going to hold this here to make sure we don't miss out on it. Any of the hot action. There's some coal going in.
Wow, how's that?
It's a serious head of steam.
I can't remember which way it's going to go, but let's
find out.
Oh, it's moving. It's chugging.
Oh, that's a little bit piss weak.
Oh, whoops. I think I got onto a bit of dirty track there. Let's start it again. All right, so we're going.
Yeah.
All right, there's the sound going again. Let's slow him down and change direction. It'll click.
There we go.
All right, let's go the other way. Going pretty fast, isn't he?
Yeah.
Emergency stop?
Yep. I was about to put my hand down, but that'll do.
So let's do a little bit more scale. That's right, yeah.
I like the fact also there's not just one sound at a time. There's other little sounds going on as well, which is how it would actually be.
Let's change direction again.
That's really cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that's better than the piss weak one from earlier.
You like that?
Yeah.
Off it goes again.
What did you do today at work, dear? Oh, I watched the toy train go up.
That's right. I drove it around.
Oh, and you got paid for that? Yes.
How good is it?
That's pretty cool.
Pretty specky, isn't it?
Yeah, I can see why you guys got excited the other week when you did the other one with the sound.
Oh, the other one. Well, the other one had like smoky bits too.
Smoky bits and everything. Yeah. This is still pretty good though.
So you start off slow, it chugs slowly.
Yeah.
And then we'll fire it up. Look at it. Oh, emergency stop, or is it going to be all right? Oh, I think it's just good.
Stop?
Oh, it doesn't really. I was just lucky pushing it at the right spot.
I was really impressed there for a minute.
Yeah, it's all right, isn't it? Let's have a closer look at it. So I'll get into the camera and we'll zoom in a bit. And we'll show off all these really blingy bits here.
Yep.
Let's stick that down here. All right, let's get into here. Now this one's called Margaret, and all the locos that we've got so far have got a particular name. I think the last one we looked at was Alice. So if we're getting really tight.
There's not one called like Frank.
There might be one coming. I don't know. I'll have to check with Bachmann. But look at all the valve gear. That was pretty impressive when I saw it turning around.
Oh, I like all the detail here.
That's amazing. It's like a clock, isn't it? Make sure all that works. You got all the brass and brass piping.
Yeah, I don't normally look at the trains because they're way on the other side of the shop.
Hello.
Oh,
hello. What did you do?
Well, I'm sorry. I might have said some bad things about you while you weren't here.
That's okay.
That's okay, Brett.
I would only expect that from you.
Yeah, but BJ confirmed most of them, so we just had this on the.
He's firm at most of them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Occasionally, I'm not.
What is that?
We've played with that and it makes noises and it's cool.
This one?
And you missed out.
This is Margaret.
Marge. I call it Marge.
Yeah. Look at the little
missed out
dial
on
there.
Margaret.
Overboost.
Good. You can have this back.
Is that the boost dial?
My voice is just about gone now. So.
Is it? Yeah. Sorry about that, CFG.
That's all right. I was here. I took one for the team.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I love your t-shirt.
Yeah, luckily,
I love your t-shirt.
How good would it have been if I'd bought your one in as well?
Oh, I know.
It's beautiful, isn't
It
it?
doesn't matter. We've talked about Haunted Evos too.
Thank you very much.
And there you go. So there's a narrow. You can see how wide it is for HO.
Oh, that's HO one.
Well, this is narrow gauge.
Yeah,
this is O gauge. This is NG7.
NG7. How popular has that been?
Well, this is our second lot, and they're disappearing pretty quick.
Smashing it, aren't they? So it's like what 009 is for, right?
For
HO.
N.
Yeah.
I guess if we're talking that variation, that's right. And so if you imagine the figure on these, they're going to be like standing this tall.
Massive. Good.
Yeah, so we had a look at that. We had a drive of that. It was going really fast. It made sounds.
Did it?
It tooted and everything. Yeah.
I do love this.
That's
Who makes that one?
This is Bachmann.
I wanted to say Bachmann, but I didn't want to sound silly.
And this is a Quarry Hunslet. And there's quite a few different variations. There's some with little
roofs and not roofs, and
That's
a couple of different colors, right?
That's right. It's beautiful. So getting quick with those, because I reckon these will disappear pretty quick too.
NG7s.
NG7s.